And it is back with me, OD97 the Great, and today I'm gonna do a bike check. So let's start from the frame. The frame is a Mako Frama Audio X Taiwan chromoly frame with custom decals. And let's start from the top tube. I have a Uno Caloi Performance seat post with a random seat clamp and a Pro Logo black saddle. And on the other side, I have a Uno Caloi Ultralight Performance stem with a carbon top cap, first carbon top cap, with I don't know, some aluminum bullhorn bar. And going from the back, I have Araya 713 with Maxxis 6-bolt hubs and a 16-tooth cog. And on the front, I have another Araya 713 with a Pro hub, laced with steel spokes, and at the rear it's laced with Changi aluminum spokes. And my cranks are Lasco original single speeds with KMC standard cool chain with Huelgo pedals and straps. I'm gonna change them to, of course, SPD cleats pretty soon. So oh yeah, my fork, it's a chromoly fork, which is not good. It's not good, but it works fine. So that's pretty much it, guys. So if you're, oh yeah, I forgot to tell my ratio. My ratio is 46:16, which is about the 77-inch gear ratio. 77-inch gear ratio with 8 skid patches. So that's about it. Okay, I'm really sorry if it looks shitty or something, because this isn't my main bike. My main bike is, of course, my road bike, and I don't spend a lot of money in my fixed gear. So that's all from me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course comment below for suggestions. Okay? Okay.